So friends, do you know how many types of electricities are available in this universe? If you want to know the complete information about the types of electricity, then please watch till the end of this video. So let's start the video without wasting much time. So friends, there are several types of electricities are available in this universe, such as the static electricity and the current electricity and the mechanical electricity and thermal electricity and etc. Among all of this electricity, two electricity are most important, that is static and current electricity. First of all, let's see what is the static electricity. So the electricity that builds off on objects and doesn't flow, that is called as the static electricity. Okay, so for example, the electricity which is produced by rubbing a balloon on hair, okay, that is known as the static electricity. Now let's talk about what is current electricity. So the electricity which can flow through the conductor or any metal, that is called as a current electricity which can flow. Okay, so for example, there are two types of current electricities are available. The first one, that is AC, that is alternating current, and the second one, that is DC, that is direct current. Okay,